Hello, welcome to ReadyAPI. In this video, you will learn how to migrate from SOAPUI open source to ReadyAPI. Both products use the same engine to run API tests, so your open source projects will automatically load right into ReadyAPI. No functionality will be lost, and you'll have access to a variety of pro-only features to enhance your existing and new API tests. Now, let's see how your projects are represented in the Navigator and ReadyAPI. The API interfaces are moved to the API's node. Your test steps and security tests can be found here. Load tests are moved here. And mock services are here. SOAPUI Pro enhances SOAPUI open source. With professional features, you can create better end-to-end test scenarios. For example, data sources make API requests more diverse. You can send requests using values from a data source, such as an Excel file or a database. ReadyAPI can also chain requests together. You can easily link values from one request to another. With ReadyAPI, you can also generate a variety of reports that you can share with your colleagues or use for automated analysis. Thank you for watching. To learn more, please take advantage of our documentation, videos, and online community on our support portal.